Yo, what up with everybody? This is Ken with Guide by the Trading, and today what we're gonna talk about is what stocks are soaring since Donald Trump got elected. Right? We're gonna talk about what stocks do Donald Trump promote or whatnot, and what you need to do to take your portfolio to the next level. So, what I want you guys to do is click the like and subscribe button as we dive deep into what stocks are soaring, how we're gonna get into the technical analysis, when is the perfect time to buy these stocks, and what stocks are benefiting from Trump. So let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about it, right? Let's dive deep into it real quick. So look, when we talk about Donald Trump or whatnot, right? Whether you like the guy or not or whatever, right? You need to know what stocks you need to invest in, right? What I want you guys to do, I want you guys to screenshot this. Let me make it bigger for you guys, right? These are the companies that are benefiting from Trump being in office. I want you guys to screenshot this, right? DJT, that's Donald Trump Technologies. PHN. We already know Tesla with Elon Musk. Trump support crypto. Mar, Riot, CleanSpark, MicroStrategy, Coinbase. These are all crypto mining spaces, right? Immigration or whatever. FLR, Eli Lilly, MRK, Tractor Supply, John Deere, United Healthcare, Humana, all the oil companies y'all can see, Chevron, Oxy, PTU, let me see, Exxon Mobil, you know what I'm saying? Intel, Ford, GM, you know what I'm saying? Steel Dynamics. These are all the companies. Look at JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley. These are financial sectors right here or whatnot. Support for Medicare advances, tariffs or whatnot, right? All these companies, they've been going through stuff or whatever, right? With importing and exporting goods. Far as like with microchips, as you can see with the cars and things like that or whatever, right? These are all the companies or whatnot that Donald Trump, that you need to invest in, that's booming right now when we talking about like where you need to invest your portfolio. So look, so we finna dive deep into it, right? We're gonna get on Moomoo and we're gonna discuss. I'm gonna let y'all see this real quick. We got stuff logged in. Alright, so look, so one of the companies, let's talk about Tesla, right? Y'all love Tesla. Let's dive deep into it real quick. Alright, so as y'all can see, let me go back and we're gonna go on the 4-hour time frame, right? The presidential election was on a Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. So that should be like right here or whatever, right? As y'all can see, on Tuesday, how it went up, right? Tuesday, Tesla did skyrocket. You see the gap? You see the gap up. It was at 243. Now it's at 358, right? I want you guys to see that, right? The reason why Tesla is booming so hard, right, is due to the fact that Elon Musk helped support Trump, and people feel as though that Elon Musk gonna have support when it come from the government and come to him making cars or whatnot, right? The government gonna be a little lenient on him when he making cars, as far as like passing certain things or whatnot, like full self-driving and things like that. The robo taxi whole thing or whatnot, right? to where he won't have that many limitations when it come down to building these new cars. So that's why people are really so adamant about Tesla and where Tesla development is going. So that's why Tesla just jumped all the way up, right? Let's talk about another one that's on the list. But also, look, while we right here, right, I want you guys to pay attention to something, right? We on the 4-hour chart, and I want you guys to pay attention. I want you guys to pay attention to right here, right? The RSI. I want y'all guys to pay attention to this, right? The RSI right here, it is in it's at 89, right? So what I want you guys to notice, right? When the RSI is high, it's letting you know that is an indicator that there is some pullback that may be coming in the future, right? So I want you guys to know that, right? So the RSI is called the Relatively Strength Index, and it lets you know that right now it's telling you, it's an indicator to let you know when something is oversold or overbought, right? So the thing is that you want to pay attention to these indicators, right? To let you know that, dang, it has to do some drawback, right? So if it does some drawback tomorrow, well, I'm going to let you guys know to be expecting it to fall back down to 336, right? That does not mean just because it said that it's overbought that it still may not go up. But be prepared for a setback. And if it does drop down or start a downtrend, this will be an ideal level of support right here, right? I just want you guys to know that this will be an ideal level of support right now. 336. And as y'all can see in aftermarket, it kind of went up, but it did not surpass the 358,640, right? So look, so if you're trying to trade options, right, this is what I'm going to put you on game on, right? What I would set my support line at for Tesla, I would set it at, where is it at? I would set it at 336. And if I will put on a put option if it goes below 336, right? And I'm expecting it to gap down, right? To fill in this gap that y'all see right here, right? And I'm expecting it to at least go down to 325 if it goes below 336. But if it continues to go above 358, right? And have a counter that live above 358, then I will put a call option. If you don't know what call option is, you can make money while the stock is going up or while the stock is going down, right? And this is why a lot of people trade option, because you can make money both ways, right? Instead of you just seeing the stock fall down and you can't make money while it's going down. This option plays both ways, but there's high risk in playing options, right? So you have to practice. You have to practice risk management when you do so. So let's talk about these other stocks, right? Let's talk about crypto. Let's see. We got Mara, right? We're gonna put in Mara right here, or Coinbase. Let's go to Coinbase. Coinbase. Right, as y'all can see, right? I want y'all to see. Where was it at on Tuesday? Let me back. Tuesday, Coinbase was down, right? Do y'all see how after Tuesday it gapped up? Y'all see that at the election, Coinbase gapped up? Because now let's talk about it, right? Trump supports crypto. That's something that don't nobody want to talk about, right? You know what I'm saying? Trump supports crypto, right? As you can see, after Tuesday, everything has gapped up. As y'all can see, that was on the list, right? To let y'all guys know, like, these are the companies that he support. Now, look, now, as y'all can see, things are growing, you know what I'm saying, far as what's going on here or whatnot, right? But I want you guys to look. Coinbase is also oversold, and it's gonna start to come down some. So I want you guys to be aware, and I just want you guys to be aware of whatnot, right? Of it may come down. So the first level of support, right? If you're trading options or you trying to look into buying shares or whatnot, right? And that's the same as Tesla, right? It ain't just for options. The support and resistance is the same for buying shares as well. So the first level would be a support is 323, right? If it go below 323, expect to put in a put option, right? And ride it all the way down, right? But if it goes above, if it stays above 334, right? Which we see 334, 860. As you can see in post market, right? Just after the market. No, matter of fact, in the after market, right? You see after the market closed, it went to 335, right? I want you guys to pay attention. If it continues to stay above what it is, if it continue 334, 860 or 335, right? Then I want you guys to know that would be an indicator that the stock market is still rising up, right? But in the RSI, I want you guys to pay attention. It's letting you know that it still has some pullback, right? And if you don't know what Coinbase is a company or whatnot that sells crypto. It's like a platform, just like it's just a crypto exchange platform, just like you would have Robinhood, Moomoo, Webull, and things like that or whatnot. That's what Coinbase is, right? So let's talk about Mara. Mara is a mining. It mines Bitcoin, right? As y'all can see, I want you guys to pay attention again. After Tuesday, everything went up. As y'all can see. This is Mara. Everything went up. Let's talk about another one. Let's talk about Intel. Let's see what Intel been doing since Tuesday. Alright, so let's see where it was on Tuesday. On Tuesday, it was down here, right? On Tuesday, it went down here, right? You see how it went up? It went up. Intel went up. But as y'all can see, it's starting to come back down, right? Because in this time right here, right? It said it was overbought. That was on last Thursday. It said it was overbought, right? And as y'all can see, the RSI, y'all see it going down right here. Right? Just to get a little technical analysis. As y'all can see, it's going down. And y'all can see that right here. Just as the RSI right here, right? Y'all see it's starting to go down. Start going down, and going down, right? So pay attention, right? So right now, Mara may fall all the way back down to, let me see, 24,280, right? But look, the way you want to catch it at is between, if you're trying to buy shares of it, it's $24.28, $24.28, or when it gaps down all the way to $23.21, right? That would be significant for me to buy, well, for me to load up on these shares right here, as far as when it comes down tomorrow. As y'all can see, let's talk about another thing that went up, right? Talk about another thing. They say Chevron CVX. Just so y'all know, we ain't capping that. I'm giving y'all the information, right? As it came to me. Look. As y'all can see on Tuesday. That's Monday. Tuesday, right, where it went, right? Boom, it went down. Wednesday. What y'all look? Y'all see Wednesday how it just skyrocketed up? Y'all see that? It went all the way to 159. And y'all can see how it went. Now, on the RSI right here, when we talking about Chevron, y'all can see right now when the RSI is headed towards a downtrend, right? So letting you know that it still has room to go down real quick, but it is not over. It is not oversold, but it's getting to, I mean, it's not overbought, right? It's more so just below the middle, right? Which is letting you know that it's starting to go to where people are starting to sell out to take profits. All right, so look, what I'm gonna end this off at is, hold on one second. Let me get our moo real quick. I want you guys to screenshot this, right? I want you guys to screenshot this, right? So you can be prepared for the future. Be prepared. Don't be shocked. Don't be shocked at what's going on in the election or whatnot, right? Don't let the election deter you or make you scarce on what the market is doing and all the things that Donald Trump got going on, things like that or whatever, right? You still can make money in the midst of all the confusion and things like that or whatever, right? So it's my job to prepare you so you can be profitable investors. And what I want to say is thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, happy trading. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.